Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can probably hear in the background, the tub grinders come today. So we're grinding up some bales. We got, I don't know, like probably 40 bales or something like that. But I got the drone and we're gonna be getting some nice footage of this thing running over here. So I don't think it's too windy. There's a little bit of wind, but we should be all set. But yeah, it's been a little while since I filmed the video, but hope you guys enjoy this one. Alright, so how this thing basically works, that claw there grabs the bales, and the bales puts it in that tub thing over there, which I'll show on some drone videos, and then it goes through and it grinds it up, and it goes out of the conveyor, and it goes into the commodity shed. And also, if you guys are wondering, we don't take the net wrap off because we only use it for bedding with these calves here. So we have sawdust right here, sawdust above the straw, and then we only have sawdust or straw over there. But the reason we use sawdust is because it absorbs moisture better. And here, right along the alleyway here, you can see it's like all the calves stand here and they poop and pee while they eat, so it just goes straight to the ground. But anyways, I'll show a little more of the tub grinder here. Alright, so it looks like my dad wants a little bit more bales ground up, so he's bringing those over here, 3 bales at a time. But these bales are a little bit more narrow because the baler was just a little bit more narrow, I guess. But yeah, and the reason we grind that up is because it's a lot more fine and it's more comfortable for the calves, I would say, and it's easier to spread apart. So yeah, it just works out better. Alright, so they basically just have a semi, and then it's just a solid frame all the way through, and then they just have that whole thing on the back there. I'm assuming you can just buy that from Haybuster, that's the company. But I'm assuming you can just buy that and then just put it on the frame. I'm assuming, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, you got the semi, then you got that little cab there. That can go up and down, as you'll probably see soon. You got the engine for the grinder. Then you got the grinder itself back there. And then you have the belt that moves the straw into the commodity shed. And look, there's the semi that's bringing us feed. So So here you can see that little cab there, just folded down. And I think he's gonna have to move the semi ahead for that belt to get past there. But I might, yeah, he's gonna have to move it. Actually, he didn't move it. He is just cleaning off the semi a little bit so that all that straw doesn't fly over. Oh, no, he is moving it. But I think he just went by and there's like a little platform that he had to clean off. But yeah, this is a pretty nice rig right here. Very nice. It takes a little while for it to fold in, so I'll speed it up for you guys. There. Man, that's an absolutely beautiful truck. Beautiful sound, beautiful air. That's a nice truck. Anyways, we'll have a look at the straw over here. All right, so here we got the straw. It's kind of messy over here, but it makes a lot of dust, but it's very fine now. Oh, don't want to get that in my boots, but yeah, it's very fine, as you can see. And it's just a lot easier to spread out when you're putting fresh straw in the pens over there. But it's costs a little bit of money, but it's worth it because it's more comfortable for the calves, I would assume. But yeah, and yeah, it's just very nice. So calves are happy over here. We also have that straw in our new calf barn, but that's yeah, it's very nice, easy to spread out, a lot more convenient. And this is only for bedding, so we don't feed the calves or cows any of that net wrap or anything. So yeah, we don't do that intentionally. If they eat it, they eat it themselves. Well, I mean, plus that stuff gets ground up into pieces pretty small too. So, but hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope to see you in the next one.